Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can add the customized coffee to your profile in the DELONGHI Dinamica Plus. So in the first step, just click on the My button and select your profile. Now, as you can see, there you have the select beverage to customize, so select your coffee that you want to change it. And if you select the coffee with the milk, you have to put inside the the milk container. But maybe I choose now the other coffee without the milk. Now you can select the aroma level. And OK. And now you have to stop. Sorry about the noises. Now you have to stop when you want to choose your coffee level in the cup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.